So on today's episode, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be working on some pool work and not some car work today. So we're going to be trying to drain all the rest of this water out of the pool. We got a leak going on, so we're going to do some patch work. It's either, I think, one of those cracks over there. Zoom in on it. It's right over there, and we have one down here. Right there. Right there. So I think it's probably one of those that's leaking. So what we're going to do is we're going to let the water run down until it doesn't go out anymore, and then we'll know where the leak is. And we'll go ahead and fix it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, it's been about a week since we first started working on the pool. As you can see, the water levels dropped a lot. It's below the light. It's below the nozzle over there, and the nozzle right here. So we know all of that stuff is good. So the only other thing could be the leak is this crack that goes all the way down to the bottom. So this crack's right here. So we're gonna go ahead and drain the rest of this water out, and we'll go ahead and start getting this patch work done, and we'll check back in a few. Alright guys, so we're back to getting this crack sealed up here on the pool. As you can see right here, we actually took a 1/4-inch drill bit, masonry bit, and I just ran it down the crack, just sort of open it up, give a good area for the sealer to bite into. I will put a link for the sealer in the description if any of you guys need to fix a crack in your pool or whatever. And we'll go ahead and get this put in, and we'll be back with you in a little bit. Alright guys, so there you have it. We went ahead and finished this patch off. You know, it's not the most ideal thing in the world, but it's cheap, and I was able to fix the leak for 30 bucks. So it's a lot better than you're probably paying a couple $1,000s to get the pool refinished. I mean, that's probably something I can do further down the line when the budget allows for it. But for a nice budget build or rebuild, I guess, is like a good compromise, I think. Like I said, it was like 30 bucks for the tube of sealant. I'm going to put a link in the description, and I highly recommend it. It's very easy to do, and it turned out pretty good. So this is the crack on one side, and there's a crack on the other side. So let's go ahead and get this filled back up with water, and we'll see how it looks when it's done. Check back with you in a little bit.